Connor has hiccups. Like a mouse. Why is everybody looking at me? All I want is milk. I'm so hungry.
Is that my dad? He only has one eye.
Daddy. What gives him hiccups?
Just his diaphragm muscle trying to strengthen.
Goodness.
Yeah.
Christine is blonde hair, too.
You want to try to get it in his mouth?
Should I?
Sure. Get it on video.
Is she?
She's the most like selfish,
Self-giving
self-giving person I know.
She is. She's so nice.
If you talk to Amy or Beth,
Just over texting. And they're both like, how's little Caitlin doing?
He's not really gonna take it.
Mm-mm.
Well, he can barely breathe because he hiccuping now.
He says, this is an empty one. I don't want it.